What in the hell is this thing? Minion 50. You know what this is about? What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. Guys, we are on a time crunch right now. This video might be really fast, and honestly, I don't really know how structured this video is going to be, but we're going to go ahead and wing it anyways. We got, you know, the infamous Jordan and I guess Minion. But yes, guys, today we are going to be taking Blucifer to the first ever dyno day with the car, and I am very excited for multiple reasons. And obviously, guys, reason number one being the car has never been on the dyno. It is a stock Coyote when it comes to the motor, has the stock intake. Literally, it's completely stock. The only thing that's technically aftermarket are the quad tips, which is going to do absolutely nothing for this car. So it's a stock Coyote at the end of the day. So with it being stock, guys, I have mentioned that I want to do full bolt-ons, and I truly mean that. And I told you to be patient. It's going to happen. I just want the car looking good for Mustang Week. Then after Mustang Week, guys, it's full send with this full bolt-on build. So today, guys, I want to get the baseline numbers. I want to see exactly what the car pushes out stock from the factory, and I'm hoping it's a factory freak. Who knows? That'd be pretty sick. But you know, if not, no big deal. Just want baseline numbers, guys, because I want to, you know, track this journey with the full bolt-ons, see exactly how things go, and who knows, we might make some good power along the lines here in the future. So, but yeah, that's what we're doing today, guys. And as of right now, we are gonna get that's locked. Hold on. There we go. But yeah, as of right now, as I was saying, we are heading to the bank because I gotta grab money. This shit ain't free. And then after the bank, we're gonna be heading to Kevin's Flim-Flam Speed, guys. Go check them out. They helped out Blue when we put. Why did I just point at that car and say Blue? Jesus, Derek. Maybe about a year ago, Kevin tuned Blue when I put on the supercharger, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little recap clip right here. If you're in the Richmond area, guys, or, you know, around Richmond, and you're looking to get your Mustang or BMW tune, he specializes in those two things, hit up Kevin at Flim-Flam Speed. I promise you, he's going to be one of the best you could find for one of those two cars. And that's exactly why we're not half-assing Blucifer today, guys. I'm going to take it to Kevin. I actually just picked up a pretty good deal. And guys, don't mind the branding on this. This is an SCT tuner, but let me get this open real quick. It is an SCT tuner, but it does say Bama. We're not Bama tuned. Yeah, you're probably wondering, why am I getting a new tune? I can't tell them yet. So I might have a modification going on the car, you know, to make it a little bit louder, because it's not that loud. Yeah, guys, sorry I had to talk over the exhaust. Right now, I'm gonna head to the bank. I'm gonna grab the money for Kevin, and then we're gonna make our way to Flim-Flam Speed and possibly film some rollers of the cars while we go. And yeah, guys, just sit back, grab yourself a drink, grab yourself some popcorn, grab yourself some candy, grab yourself your girl, grab yourself your grandma, grandpa, granddad. We're gonna have a lit video for you guys today, all right? It's gonna be pretty sweet. But yeah, guys, so off to the bank we go. We'll see you guys when we get there. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go more into this car here in the future. It's been a clusterfuck. Everybody's buying 5.0s and stuff, and I can't believe this right now. I really just can't believe this view, but we'll go more into this, guys. Bro, chill out. And we got Ruby 5.0 here, guys. Go hit them up. All right, let's get it. Guys, I'm so excited we're getting all this stuff done to the car. Like, it has honestly become a dream come true with this thing, just on every single aspect possible. Alright, guys, so I just made it to the bank. As I said, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some money real quick, and yeah, I think you're gonna hear Brandon's car now. I'm giving you a lot of hints as to what we might be installing today. It was just, of course, quads. I'm gonna get my money now. Alright, guys, so I got the money. We are on our way to Kevin's now, and I can't express to you how excited I am, because this video was supposed to be filmed earlier this week, and unfortunately, you know, both of our schedules didn't line up, and he just hit me up today and was just like, yo, let's just get it done, and we'll get the car tuned and stuff. So it's so excited. I'm anxious to see how it does, and I'm not expecting anything big, don't get me wrong, but still anxious, because I had a 2-valve that was about 345 to 350 wheel horsepower with 5 pounds of boost on the Vortec, and this feels faster. And I don't know if it's just the top end that's a lot different, because the 2 valves are known for the torque, but yeah, we're about to find out. So to Kevin's we go.
Want that smoke though?
We're not even 5 minutes into our trip and we're f***ing around already. We gotta chill out. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to Kevin's now. Alright guys, so Banana Boat and Blucifer just made it to Flim-Flam Speed. You like the name I gave you, Banana Boat? That's a tanning oil. Yeah. Looks like they do have an S550 on the dyno, so we can check that out. And a red fire Cobra, so let's see what's up. Like a Ferrari. Alright, here are the keys. There you go.
Thank you.
Alright, we gotta beat him to the other side of the building. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. He's probably gonna be mad for me running through his shop like a maniac, but sorry, Kevin. Boom. Alright, we got it on the dyno. He's gonna go ahead and get it all strapped in and everything, and we will begin the process. So guys, I can't stress this enough. Make sure you go follow the Instagram so you guys can keep up to date with absolutely everything I have going on. And it's kind of like an early access thing. It's right there on the screen, DerekBaranProductions. And see what I mean? We're here right now. So guys, it looks like we are gonna end up leaving today with 386.77 horsepower to the wheels and 375 foot-pounds of torque. We did hit 376, that was our highest, and 386 is our highest for the horsepower. So I'm really happy with that, considering this thing is completely stock.
Yeah, solid numbers, for real.
Put on a minor bolt-on, such as an off-road X intake, I'm over 400, no doubt. No doubt in my mind. So I'm super happy with that. And Kevin and I were talking, he said this is probably one of the highest stock, you know, cars that he's dynoed as an S197. And honestly, the reason for that could be as simple as the car being so young. 16,000 miles, the previous owner, Chad, never beat the car. Like, the car is brand new, guys, honestly. And that goes with anything you typically use in life. If you take care of it and don't beat the shit out of it constantly, and you know, it's gonna last a lot longer, it's gonna perform better. And we're honestly believing that's exactly why this thing is so peppy right now, is it's just never been abused. And this is honestly probably the hardest it's ever been driven since 2013. So 386 wheel horsepower, I can't complain at all. We're on that mission to hit 400, and I think we're gonna do that very easily. Who knows, maybe with the next mod we do, we'll be there. So what you think, man? You pretty impressed with that?
Very happy, yeah.
I think it turned out awesome. I'm stoked with that outcome, no doubt about it. I have to admit, I am fucking happy with that. Like, $385 on a stock car, dude? What? I'm stoked, man. I'm very happy, but we're gonna go ahead and talk more about that in just a minute. Let's go, boy!
The pops, dude.
Oh, I can feel that shit. Literally just woke me up, and dude, I love this fucking Coyote.
I'm gonna hop in his car, and we're gonna see what happens. Just so much. There's so many crackles.
All right, guys, so I just got back to the house. I'm with the boys right here. We just got some food. We are on a grind because after you guys are watching this video, I literally just filmed and edited this on Friday, so you're watching this video pretty much real time as possible. As soon as you're done watching this, I'm literally filming another video. We're doing a modification to Blucifer here, and it's gonna be insane. Part of the reason why I went to the dyno, so if you guys put 2 and 2 together, you can kind of figure it out. But with that, guys, remember, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions, concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out going out to Rodriguez S550. Thank you so much for your continued support. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And for those of you who want to want to shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DVP Squad in all your posts. As you guys know, every time we film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtag see it and boom, shout out. Guys, today was a huge success. 386 horsepower to the wheels in Blucifer. I have no complaints, full bolt-ons. It's just gonna get even better, and this is just the beginning. Anyway, guys, we will see you Monday for a fresh video. Don't miss it. It's gonna be sick, I promise you. But yeah, it's gonna go ahead and wrap it up. But until next time, we'll see you later.